In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data iPhone to iPhone 16e. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which iPhone model you have, you can easily transfer the data between that iPhone and a new one. So in this video, the iPhone 16e, the process is the same between any model, so just follow these instructions whenever you want to transfer over all of your iPhone data to a new one. This will be done by putting both devices in close proximity of each other. You might have to set them up in the same Wi-Fi network as well, but this can be easily done when you go through the setup on the new iPhone. So to access the quick setup options, you have to go through the hello screen on the new iPhone. So when you first unlock it, you will see this window, and if you have already gone through the setup process, make sure that you factory reset your device so you can see it again. You will only be able to easily transfer all of your data by using this option. So you will see the Quick Start menu. Quick Start is what allows you to transfer all of the data from an old iPhone to a new one with ease. So on the old iPhone, you will see this screen, set up new iPhone, and as long as you have them in close proximity of each other, they will be able to communicate to transfer the data. So it's as simple as placing them together. Choose the option to set up for myself or for a child in my family, depending on how you want to proceed. And you will see this message on the old one. Quick Start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. So upon putting them in close proximity, you might be prompted to scan a QR code on the new device, and after that is done, you will see the main options to transfer your data. iCloud backup, another iPhone, which is what I recommend, Mac or PC, Android, or the option to not transfer anything. Choose whichever one suits you best. If you have recently backed stuff up to iCloud, it can be a viable option, but if you haven't and you just want to transfer them with ease, choose from another iPhone, put them in close proximity, and you will be able to exchange all of the necessary data to set up your new device. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data iPhone to iPhone 16e. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.